Mercy is love in action in dealing with imperfect beings.
To love unconditionally. No matter how someone hurts you, beyond intellect, you still love them with your heart.
When I can be merciful, when I can let people skate, let people, when I can forgive.
It's an unconditional love and almost an encouragement that I want you to be the best you can be.
You have not received punishment for the things that you've done. You're not being given what you deserve for the things in your life.
I think mercy is forgiveness and acceptance of who and what people are and do, because it goes back again to we're human and we're not perfect, and we never will be. But I think meeting people where they're at is a very good way to put it.
Mercy to me is an even deeper and more complete understanding of one of the parts of it, which is forgiveness. Mercy is love without expectation of anything in return. Mercy to me is loving unconditionally, always, regardless of whether or not you are loved back or even whether or not you feel loved back.
To see the Christ in people, that's mercy. To get beyond the intellect, the things your mind tells you, oh, that person's poor because he deserves it or he doesn't work hard enough. Can you find it in your heart to still be merciful and reach out to that person? Beyond the logic, can you reach out for them in your soul? To me, that's mercy. When you can feel for someone in your heart, not just your head.
I think forgiveness is a gift from God to us, and when we can do it, we're way more rewarded for it than the actual person receiving the forgiveness.
I think of it with my children like, if I'm offering you mercy, then you've done something and I should be punishing you for it, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to have mercy on you in this situation, and I will not punish you for what you've done. And I imagine Grace being like, I know all of the things that you have done this week, and yet I'm still going to take you to get ice cream, or I'm still going to allow you to have a friend come over. Mm-hmm. It's gifting them something even though they don't deserve it.
Mm-hmm. It's almost like I'm a parent. I mean, I always forgive my kids, and because I love them and I see their potential, and I love them too much to let them stay where they are. And that's how I feel like the Lord is with me. He doesn't want me to stay in my sin, that He has work for me to do. And so He wants me to go to the sacrament, clean my soul, and then go on building His kingdom.
Thinking about my marriage, clearly my wife and I love each other, but I'm not always great about expressing love to her the way that she feels loved. But she still loves me, and to me, that's mercy. She understands my shortcomings, and she's willing to work with my shortcomings, but she doesn't love me any less because of them.
Mercy is God's ability in a miraculous way to love us in spite of all the stuff we do. And it's miraculous. It's absolutely miraculous. You have a perfect being. God is perfect, and yet, His Son suffered with us. I mean, it's a miracle. It's an absolute miracle. So it's God's ability to love us in spite of all of our imperfections. And gosh, what a gift. What a gift.